Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to force your internet connection's Wi-Fi to connect over the 5 gigahertz connection as opposed to a 2.4 gigahertz connection. So, should be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So, we're going to start off by opening up the search menu and type in Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. You want to expand the network adapter section, so double click on it and right click on your network adapter and select properties. You want to select the advanced tab and then select where it says preferred band. I do not have one since I'm using an Ethernet based connection, but you would select preferred band and then for the value you click inside the drop down and you would select prefer 5 gigahertz band. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. And sometimes there might be an option to actually force the 5 gigahertz option. And I believe there's an option to require 5 gigahertz only. But I would probably recommend just selecting prefer 5 gigahertz band because if you don't have connection over the 5 gigahertz, you don't want to lose internet connection entirely. So that's what I recommend setting it to. So again, on the left side underneath property, select preferred band. And then on the right side, you would click the little drop down and select prefer 5 gigahertz band. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.